Hi.
Welcome back, my lovely people. Welcome back to Mama P Cooking.
All right, so what are you going to make today?
Alright, today I'm just gonna make some crispy fried chicken.
Nice,
wings.
nice. All right, tell me, so what's the ingredients?
Okay, here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. I already washed and cleaned it already. And as you can see, I keep the tail on, but you can omit them from yours. You don't have to keep them on. So this is the vinegar I used to wash. I have all-purpose seasoning salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, some sea salt, black pepper, and there I have a pepper that I'm gonna put in the oil because I want a little heat when I fried it. And I have some flour which I already sieved, and then I have some cornstarch.
Nice, nice. All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna start seasoning my chicken wings now. Okay, so here I'm gonna go in with my black pepper, my adobo, seasoning salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, salt.
So you know you got to get the flavor, so you know you got to keep rubbing it.
Alright, so now I'm gonna put that aside for now. And then I'm gonna cover it for a little while. Okay, so here I have my flour. So I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of cornstarch. You know, this is what gives you the nice crispy taste on your chicken wings. That much is good. Alright, so I'm gonna season it up with all the spice that I put on the chicken. I'm just gonna put them in here too.
So it's the same thing, just rinse and repeat. That was the garlic powder, that's the black pepper, that's the onion powder. And you see, guys, she's not even like measuring with this, you know, because to tell you the truth, when it comes to this, you just have to make sure, you know, the flour is seasoned well. But you know, sometimes you can just eyeball it. Paprika, okay, the poultry seasoning.
Not too much salt because I put salt on the chicken already. So that, and of course the seasoning salt is a little salty, so you don't want too much.
Yeah, not too much seasoning salt, guys. Yeah, the adobo.
Alright, so here I go. I'm gonna just mix that up. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave that there while my chicken is marinating. My chicken is marinating for half an hour, so I'm just gonna leave that there until I'm ready to fry it.
So we just checking the oil now just to see. It hasn't been hot yet, so we still just giving it some time.
And I'm using peanut oil, of course, but you don't have to use peanut oil. It's because I like the taste from it. You can use any oil you like, except olive oil. Olive oil is not good for really frying things. It's good for sauteing, but not for... Alright, so here I go, I'm going in. And here I want some heat on my chicken wings, so I'm putting a fat pan in here.
And guys, what you can do as far as for chicken wings, you supposed to cook them for around 10 to 12 minutes.
And you can pierce them with a fork too and see if any water, bloody water running out. Then you'll know that they are cooked. Alright, so these are finished now. Alright. That's so good. Here you have it, guys. Mama P crispy fried chicken. This is delicious.
Yeah, don't forget.
So like, share, and subscribe. And guys, you gotta try this. This is so good. Awesome.
All right, we'll see you in the next video, okay?
Another one, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.